Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable any USB drive from your group policy editor. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to use the local group policy editor. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, just go to your Windows computer, then open run by clicking the Windows and R key. After that, you have to type over here gpedit.msc. Okay, same thing that I have already typed over here. This is the command that you are going to use. So type gpedit.msc and then press OK. Now it will open the group policy editor window in front of us. If you see over here the header, it's saying local group policy editor. Okay, so after that we are going to click on the administration templates, then click on the system, then we have to search for this removable storage access. So click over here, and as you can see over here, there are a lot of policies which are mentioned in your computer. So if you wanted to block any kind of removable storage, then you can use this one. It's saying that all removable storage classes deny all access. So if you just open this and make it enable from here, then it will block all the removable storage from your computer. If you try to put any USB drive, it will not going to work. Okay, as you can see, it's written over here. It's saying if you enable this policy setting, no access is allowed to any removable storage classes. If you disable or do not configure this policy setting, write and read access are allowed to all the removable storage classes. So if we enable this and then do apply and OK, so any kind of USB drive is not going to work on your computer unless you are going to make it disable once again. And if you wanted to disable your CD or DVD drive, you can also do that. As you can see, they also has floppy drives which we are not using anymore in these days. But yeah, this is how you can do this. You can also use your BIOS, like from the BIOS you can also do that. But in this video I wanted to show you how you can do it from your local group policy editor. So if you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.